that deep. It will break.
It is that deep.
No, we broke it, see?
That's pretty deep.
Okay, let's see. If you hold up that stick, wait a second. Hold on,
It's
let me
just
try
that
something.
deep. That one ain't deep.
No, son. It's that deep.
It's not very deep at all. Booger, don't fall in, please. Don't fall in.
Here.
Ah!
Oh, gross.
Oh, see if you can get any fishes.
There's no fish in there.
Yuck.
Because Scooter's killing them.
Yeah, let's kill some more. Then that float up. Then that float up.
Ooh, look what Booger found.
Looky. I hear some dogs are barking.
It floats. It floats.
Where are those dogs? And there's Bo. He's not a grandkid, but he's here anyway. Lydia.
We've seen lots of him.
There it is. Get that.
Booger.
Okay,
Ja.
here goes one.
Megan.
Where it go?
Scooter. Report.
It seems very little, but I remember thinking, you're on.
There's a hole where the cats are. We have a whole bunch of cats here.
Come here.
Let's see. Oh. It's cat food. That's the proof, ladies and gentlemen, that we have cats. We have cats. More proof. Cat tray.
Can you see in there?
Can I see in there? No, I cannot see in there.
I can.
Well,
Oh, look, water fountain.
is it plugged in? Ooh, 2 of them.
No, it's not definitely. Look, a basketball net.
Ooh.
2.
Ooh. I don't think we can play basketball with it though.
And there's a basketball.
A basketball. Pretty. Well, is it out of air? Ooh.
What does that tell you?
It tells me that it is not out of air.
Oh, cool. Come here.
Calm there. Calm there.
Look at that mattress. It must
Ooh,
have been for some.
cool.
It was just spicy.
Ooh, Nito. I wonder whose it was.
Don't know. There's the tractor that my dad moved.
Oh, Nito. Oh, big tire. Muddy tire. My big tire. Wow,
My
that's
dad
a
moved
tool.
it in here from the shed so he could skin his deer. If he catches any, which I doubt. Shut the door.
Nice. I wonder what's the
Let's go as
rig.
far as we can go over there.
Hey boys, get all your baseball stuff. It's gonna load up.
A bird feeder.
You hear me?
I have no idea what gas is. Oh, wow. The speed of light. There goes Bo. With some more pecan. Car looks pretty beat up. Where?
I wonder who drives that car. It doesn't even have a wheel.
Everything's missing. Lots of
Look at the thing that my dad's hunting down there. Ooh, look at those pines. It's very, it looks like it's clean.
over there. Oh, wow. Look at that pond.
Bet you if we got close, it would be pretty dirty, though.
Hello.
What was that? These trees everywhere. Lots of
Let's
trees.
take one more look at that farm before we leave.
Looks pretty beat up, but it's a place to be. You can do just about anything here. We have balconies.
And we have Booger running around.
We have Booger running around. Where is Booger running around? There's Booger run. Whoa. There he is.
He always wants to be in a picture. He has always.
And there's the grandmother who started it all. And there's Lydia.
In the green shirt.
And there's
Look
Booger
at
again.
Scooter raking. He
Ooh,
really knows how
Scooter.
to rake, doesn't he? And he knows how to throw stuff down.
And there's Zach. There is the van.
Look at the merry-go-round.
The merry-go-round.
And
There it is.
Papa did a lot for us, didn't he?
Yeah. There's the merry-go-round. There's the swing set. My brother broke his arm on that swing set. Those were the days. Loading up. Everybody's getting a refreshment.
Don't even take the straw off. That's your drink when you get home.
And loading up. Gotta go. And that is the end of our tape.